What are you making today? Pizza. Yeah.
Cheese.
So before you start cooking, what do you always do? Wash your hands. And why do we wash our hands? Get the germs off, right? You need some soap, buddy. All right, let's get some soap. And you put your hands together and you wash it front and back, right? And then, yes, we rinse it. That's right. Good. So today, me and Beckham are going to be making pizza, but we're putting a spin on it. I seen a recipe for pizza, Hawaiian rolls pizza situation. You're so excited. So we are going to make that. So the recipe calls for, of course, King's Hawaiian rolls. So we are going to start with that. I'm not going to make this full thing because Beckham will be excited about making food and then the man won't eat it. So we're just going to make half of this. Also, we are going to be using ragu pizza homemade style sauce. And of course, we are going to use turkey pepperoni and then also mozzarella, Kraft mozzarella. We also need butter, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning to put over top of the, don't touch that, buddy, to put over top of the Hawaiian rolls, but we will get there. So started by just cutting the bread in half. So this is the bottom half of the bread, of course. And then I already buttered the pan because when we put it in the oven, just want to make sure it don't stick. So we already buttered the pan, right? Now, we're just going to put this half down because that's the bottom half. And then once we're done putting the filling, of course, we're just going to put the top half on there. So that's how that's going to go. All right, so we're going to do our sauce. So we are going to put the pizza sauce in the middle, put the cheese on, and then if Beckham wants pepperoni, what are we going to do? Put pepperoni on it, right?
Today.
All right, so this is what I want you to do. Whoops, I'm going to put this here, and then you're going to spread it. What's your spread song? Spread. Let's put some more. Yep, put some more. Spread. You got to get it all over all the bread. Here, you want some more?
Spread.
Here.
No.
You got to put it on here. That's enough? You don't want any more? Can I get this corner? Let me just get this corner, and then that will be it. Since you said that's enough. It's your pizza. I do what you say. You are the chef, my dear. You the chef? Oh, perfect. Now, let's do the cheese. So now it is time for cheese. All right. Oh, sorry, buddy. Here. You want to do it? Not this on here, even though the counter is clean. We're going to start with fresh cheese. You want to put it in your hand or you want to?
Shake it.
Let's shake it then. You want more cheese?
Yeah.
Here, you spread it with your hands. Yeah, spread. Oh, you eating it? You got to wash your hands again. So don't touch anything. Hold on, mommy will help you. Good. All done. All right, now it's time to put your pepperonis on. All right.
I can put it on my hand.
No, you put your, no, Beckham. Somebody is hungry, so I'm going to put the pepperonis on there. No. Here, you can eat this. You got a pepperoni? All right. Oh, sorry, bubbies. All right, so you got all your pepperonis on here. Even though mommy did it, you were supposed to do it, but mommy did it. All right. Wait, good job. You put it up here like this? Good. You ready to make your butter sauce?
Ready.
You ready? All right, so we're going to scoop some butter into this bowl. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Let me. Oh.
One.
You got to let mommy do it, and then we'll put it in the microwave. All right, I think that's all we need. We don't need a whole bunch. Don't put, Beckham, I'm glad this is yours. Here.
No, I can do it.
So we're going to put garlic powder in here. You want to do it? We're just making the butter sauce that's going to go on top of the buns. So garlic, do not shake it. All right. We got some Italian seasoning. Give it a shake. Good. I think that's good. And then last thing, don't shake it. All right. That's enough. Now the butter is going to go in the microwave. And then we are going to, what is that? What's the word for that? Spread it. It's not spread, but this is what we're going to say. Spread it all over the tops of the Hawaiian buns. All All right, so now we put our butter mixture in the microwave with the Italian garlic powder and also a little bit of parsley. Stop, Beckham. We're just gonna brush it on the top so it can have a nice crispy topping on it. Does it smell good?
Wow. Sorry, you're going to make pizza. In the microwave.
So I lost my sous chef. Oh, well, here he is. So we just took these out of the oven. They're a little well done because Beckham distracted me and we left them in there for a little bit long. But it's just a little brown, you know what I'm saying? Just a little brown. So this is the close-up of the pool. Whoa, look at all that cheese. Ooh. You want the cheese?
Yeah.
Here. It's hot.
I blew it.
Here. Ouch, you almost bit my finger. All right, say
Bye, guys.